Want to see Chicago for a bit? Yeah. What's going on? You want to come off now? You okay? You want to go off? Look at you. You're beautiful. All right, we're going to go a little more. Get windy. Hang on. I'll slow up. Whoop. Barely held on there. Welcome to Chicago. There's the Paso. Right there. Getting a little windy for you. Not going to go too fast. Office. Whoa! Now you're inside. Really close to me now. Wow. That's all right. You all right? I think he's a woodpecker.